Hello. This video is to go over the step-by-step instructions on how to modify and upload your playlist content to your LED sign. And we'll follow these basic instructions as noted here. First, double-click on the MaxxLite playlist program. That's right here. This is the view of the playlist program interface right here, and to the right of it is your preview window. So you'll be seeing the content as how it will look on your LED sign in this preview window. We want to start off with an existing playlist. Start by clicking on the folder icon to open an existing playlist. You could also go to File and Open Existing Playlist here, or you can click on the Open Existing Playlist icon. We'll do that. Okay, from the open folder, select the playlist you need. In this case, we're going to open up our LED demo file. Highlight that and click on Open. Playlist opens showing multifunction and your list of content. What that is right here. You have multifunction, and everything below that is your content. So once you start up, the first item that's going to play on your LED sign is this American flag. After that, it's going to play your next piece of content. We want to add additional content to our playlist. That's step number 5. We're going to click on multifunction, then File. So we come here, we'll click on multifunction, and then we'll click on the word File right here to the right side. And that'll open up a dialog box. And that takes us to step number 6. Select content and basically click on Open to bring them in. So we want to add some other information. Since I'm a U of M fan, we'll click on the Go Blue symbol here and we'll click on Open. And that brings it into your playlist. So now we have the American flag, blue LED signs, and Go Blue. And that was step number 7. Okay, we'll scroll up here. Next thing you want to do is add specific characteristics to each one of your pieces of content. We'll click on the Go Blue image, for example. You can control how long you want the message to stay on the screen. Right now it's set for 3 seconds. We'll change that to 6. And you might want to check with your local ordinance to see what they allow. Some cities allow 6 seconds, every 30 seconds, every minute. So you'll need to know what your local ordinance requires. You can also modify the transition and how it comes in, and that's the entry effect. Right now we have it set to 1 second, and you can also pick from many different ways in which the transition comes into the screen. We have it set to random. If the city requires that it must be static, that's an option here as well, but we'll keep it on random. At this time, you're ready to save your file. We always recommend doing a save as. So we'll go to File, and we'll click on Save As. And many times it helps to have the current date as your file name. We'll just call this Test 1. and this is just confirming that it was saved. We're at step 10 now, uploading your playlist. We'll click on File, and then we'll click Upload your playlist. So we'll go to File, Upload your playlist. What you saw before this terminal page came up was it was converting the files into the proper format. Your IP address should appear here. Right here from the terminal box, you'll find your IP address. If the IP address is not showing, perform a search. So let's just do a search just to be thorough. We'll click on that, and it's going to ask you to delete old settings, and we'll say yes. So now your program goes out and searches for your LED sign IP address, and it found it. Now we'll just put a check mark in front of the IP address and click send. What it did here is just checking the available space on your display's hard drive space. Everything's good. Just click on OK, and your display gets uploaded to your sign. And that's all the steps required to upload your content. Thank you for watching. For more information, contact MaxxLite LED Signs or look us up on the internet, www.maxxlite.com. Thank you very much.